In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a watch list in Tradingview. If you've been experimenting with multiple watch lists or cleaning up old projects, removing a list keeps your workspace organized. I'll show you the exact clicks, clarify what you'll see on screen, and share quick tips so you don't remove the wrong list. By the end, you'll know how to open your watch list. Access the Management menu, delete the list you no longer need, and confirm the change. First, open the Watchlist panel. Look to the right side of your Tradingview screen. This is where the watchlist lives by default. If the panel isn't visible, it may be collapsed. Hover near the right edge, or click the watchlist icon to reveal it. Once the panel is open, you'll see your symbols. At the very top is the name of the active watchlist. This header is key because it's the gateway to managing all your lists. Make sure you can see that name. We'll use it to open the drop-down. Click the current watchlist name at the top to open the drop-down menu. From the options, choose Manage or Open List, depending on what your interface shows. Both take you to a management view that displays all your watch lists. Take a moment to identify the exact list you want to remove. If your lists have similar names, double-check you are selecting the right one, so you don't delete something you still need. This view is designed for quick edits, so you can act directly from this list. Now, hover your cursor over the name of the watch list you want to delete. As you hover, a delete icon, usually a small trash bin, appears next to that list. Click the trash bin. Tradingview may ask you to confirm the deletion. Read the prompt, then confirm if you are sure. Deleting a watch list removes that list and the symbols saved within it from your list library. But it doesn't affect your charts or your brokerage account. This action is generally permanent, so proceed only when confident. After you confirm, the list disappears and Tradingview will switch you to another available watch list. If you still see the old name, reopen the drop-down to verify it's gone, and that's it. Thanks for watching.